Alright guys, this is the Stockton Tool Company chain tool kit. This is what we use to break chains on our motorcycles. It also breaks chains on bicycles. We'll be using the heaviest pins today. To break the chain, you're going to grab the main tool. This is the tool to break a chain. It's only built for 525 chains. It's not built for 530 or heavier chains. Start with the spring. Put the workpiece in. And clamp it down on the chain. There's a hole in the back. You're going to put the rivet on that. It's not going to move anywhere. You're still going to want to take a wrench and tighten that down. This is a 9/16. Give her a snug. There is a bar in here to use, and that's why we use the wrench. Putting an adjustable on this will give you a lot more leverage than your hand can give you. Always thank your cameraman. When you get to the point before this, you're turning it really hard. You're literally pushing steel against steel. So it will feel like you got a ton of pressure to push past the breaking point. You're not going to break the tool. You will snap the chain before this tool breaks. Make sure your tool's lined up correctly, but keep going. We are all the way through the chain. Remove the work piece of the tool. The spring is in there. When we pull this out, I'll show you. So the spring is in there to push the rivet back. Without the rivet, you'd have to do it this way to have the spring or the rivet drop. The chain is broke. Here's the rivet that holds it. As you can see, a lot of grease, dirt, grime has gotten in the O-ring area, and that is an X-ring O-ring. That's the top grade chain, and stuff still gets back there. That is how you break a chain with the Stockton chain break.